Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram Hamster Kombat not opening problem. Hamster Kombat not opening problem can be frustrating. You tap the play, it seems to launch the nothing, just a black void staring back at you. This can happen for a few reasons. So to fix Telegram Hamster Kombat not opening problem, first open your phone settings, scroll down until you see apps and tap on it. From apps, search for Telegram. This will open the app information page. Look for the storage section. Inside the storage section, you will find a button called Clear Data or similar wording depending on your device. Tap Clear Cache or similar wording, then go back and open Play Store. Search for Telegram and update it. Once you are done, open the Telegram app, go to Hamster Kombat, and it will work out. And this is how you fix it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.